I want to do a surprise to my wife. Today is
Mother's Day.
Mother's Sunday, so a surprise. She went to work. Daddy's arranging a surprise cake. I'm not a professional baker, but I know how to do some hard shots. So for some of our men out there, you need to be a helper. It's not only a woman that will do everything. The man too have to do his part. Daniel is egg and sugar. You don't have to jump inside. Sit down with others. Sit down with your sisters. Sit down. I don't know how they call it there. I'm just trying to mix the egg with the sugar and to get a very fine turning. As you can see, it's coming up. I hope I do it good this time around. Just follow me along. Let me increase the speed a little. If you are not subscribed to the Olivia family, we need to change the channel to our daughter's name because it's dedicated to her. The whole concept of this YouTube was of her. She brought up the whole concept of the YouTube. So we decided to put back the name. Daniel, go out from there. We decided to put her name Olivia and Family Show. What's the time, baby? You have? Alright, at this point, I need to add my flour, the baking flour. Kiss, are you with me?
Yes.
I put the baking flour and now I put 500 grams. I don't know if I got it right, but first I'll start gradually to mix. Now I can see it's going. Let me put my margarine. This is my style. I need to put the margarine just under a steam of hot gas. Then I'll now pump everything together now. Olivia, come. How is it?
Wow. The fluffiness is okay.
Alright, wait, I'm not finished. I did not even add my levito. Sorry, let me add my levito. Okay, now add my levito.
The dry yeast.
Yeah, my dry yeast. That will make it to swell up. Then I'll add my flavor.
Vanilla. Vanilla lemon.
But this is Kiss. I'm sorry, this is not vanilla. This is lemon flavor that I found there. But it's still okay?
Yes. They made vanilla.
Where is that there? Somebody should watch him, huh? Open the door. You don't need to close the door again. See how it's coming up? Then I'll soften it by adding a little milk, a glass of milk to it. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I hope good. Put on the pan, on the cake pan, so that it doesn't stick to it.
Yes. Like the other one you do, you put butter on the cake.
Yeah, I'm going to put. Your mommy do it too?
Yes.
You people watch your mommy do cake. So today you are going to give me the result. That dear mommy, this cake is better, eh? That is just trying to. I know definitely mommy's own might be better, but daddy is doing something special.
But only great baby is my own. So but after you call my own, then no, after the more babies to come. And it was easy grandma baby.
Birthdays never end. You always have birthdays. Okay? Treat yourself like every day is your birthday.
And yes,
All right.
And yesterday we even do a party.
Okay, I did the mixing without the milk. Now I'm adding the milk before I pour it into the pan. Why? The reason why I used to add milk is to make it a bit soft. That's the main reason why I add milk. And it used to be the last thing I usually add to my destiny. I have to on the oven
Mommy,
at maximum 250.
Mommy, put it after putting the butter.
Okay. That's the mommy style. This is my style. Now, let me do the last mixing with the milk in order to soften it. I have to mix it gradually. I'm just mixing it gradually. Let's see how it come out. I don't know. Nobody should judge me, please. In the morning when Mama went to work, we start planning what to do today with the kids. We couldn't see a bouquet, or what do you call it?
Bouquet,
we did not see a very good one, so we decided to make cake. And we had few things for the cake. Daddy had to rush out to make sure he gets everything. Guys, I think I have a good texture now. So my job is done.
Well, we didn't finish packing the gifts.
Don't worry, we might not do the gift thing now. Well, the ones people have done, people can do it. Daddy will now. This is a more bigger surprise for everyone. Huh? Good people, I'm not pouring it inside. I hope it turns out good. Don't judge me, oh. This is not my profession. Olivia will decorate the cake later. I don't know how she's gonna do it, but definitely she's going to decorate the cake. How? I don't know. Alright guys, let's hang in and see how the whole thing will turn out. I'll keep you guys posted why this thing goes into the oven. Let's wait and see the outcome of the cake in a couple of minutes. I'll show you guys how it turns out. Good or bad, I'll still show you guys. Wow. Here comes the cake prepared by Daddy on a Mother's Day. Hoo-hoo. This is a surprise cake. Alright, I hope the whole thing, guys, that's the turn up of the cake. The thing turned out good and has a very good height. We hope the kids will love it, and her mom and the mommy will love it too. Okay guys, if you need the recipe, write on the comment section. Daddy is in the house, he will give you the recipe. Alright, bye guys.